Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joel. I'll be your tour guide. Nice to meet you. I do hope you enjoy the videos. If you do, please hit that subscribe button. It'll help out so much. Anyways, I usually ramble a little bit more, but let's jump into this video. So, in today's video, we're going to be making another peeker. This time, we're going to be making loom. So, like always, we start off with the rough sketch, get everything in place. Once we like it and it looks pretty good, we're going to go ahead and lower the opacity. That looks good. Alright, so now let's move on. This time we're going to be tracing the original sketch we made. We're going to be using a different, more thicker pen. So this one was a custom pen. Don't really remember the steps I took, or else I would show you, but yeah, I use this one all the time. So yeah, right now we got the hair going crazy. Working on the little horns right now. Gotta make sure the lines are nice and clean. And let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit. Alright, perfect. So outline is completely done. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to my favorite part. And if you watched my videos before, you already know we're gonna be coloring. Starting off with the base, we gotta get all the colors in there. Then we're gonna move on to the shadows, highlights, etc. You already know. Alright, so now that our base colors are set, let's go ahead and move on. We're going to be working with the shadows here, so we're going to start off with the face. I'm just going to be adding them in random spots that make sense to me. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to add the whites to the eyes. And now let's go ahead and move on to the hair. So, for the reference photo I used, she has so many colors in her hair. It's crazy. Different shades, colors, gradients. Oh my gosh. But in this one, I'm just going to be using about 5 colors. 2 greens, about 3 blues, and then the highlights. Right here, we're 3 colors in. Can't really tell, but we're working on the 4th one now. And honestly, I think 4 should do it. It's looking really good. Look at that. So many colors. I usually stick to like 2. Anyways, that's the 4th color right there. We're going to put this on pause, and we're going to move on to the eyes for now. We're going to start off with the base color. We're going to add another shade of yellow and 2 shades of red. Perfect. Alright, so now we're moving on to the final touches. We're going to be adding the highlights to everything. We're going to start with the eyes just to finish this off right now. 2 small dots and then 1 giant dot. Perfect. Alright, so now we're back to the hair. And the hair is going to have a ton of highlight. A lot. It's a lot. But trust, it's going to look amazing. And here it is. Oh my gosh. The highlights just escalated that so much. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and crop this. And here we are. Damn. Honestly, one of my favorite ones so far. It looks amazing. Love the highlight. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this to the printer. Can't wait to see it in person. Just gotta fix it up a little bit, get it ready for print. We're gonna be making 5 of these. And here we go. Alright, so it's finally done printing. Just one more step, it's gonna cut out the design for me. And here it is. It's gonna spit it right out. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this off and take it to our desk. Alright, so for the next step, we're going to get rid of all the excess vinyl. We're going to grab our tool. It's going to help us lift off all the extra vinyl. All we want is a little peeker. Now let's get rid of it and move on to the next step. This is our transfer paper. We're going to lay it right on there. Gotta make sure there's little to no air bubbles. So we're going to grab our squeegee. We're just going to wipe it down. Perfect. Now that that's done, we're going to take it to our cutter and we're just going to chop them up. And just like that, they're done. What do you guys think? Honestly, I think this is one of my best ones so far. I'm glad I put like so many highlights. It pops so much. Let me know in the comments if you like this one. Let me know you made it this far. I'll get back to each and every one of you, so yeah, let me know. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, comment, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.